Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Lorex cameras, quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary equipment, including your Lorex cameras, cables, power adapters, and a monitor. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for remote viewing. Start by choosing the ideal locations for your cameras, ensuring they cover the desired areas. Mount the cameras using screws or brackets, securely fastening them in place. Connect the camera to the power outlet, using the provided power adapter. For wired setups, run the Ethernet cable from the camera to your router. If you're using a DVR system, connect the camera to the DVR using a coaxial cable. Turn on the DVR and monitor, allowing them to boot up completely. Access the DVR menu by using the remote or buttons on the device. Navigate to the camera settings to configure the recording preferences. Select the specific camera you want to set up and adjust the settings, such as resolution and motion detection. Ensure the cameras are properly aligned to capture the desired field of view. If you're using a mobile app, download it on your smartphone or tablet. Create an account or log in to sync your cameras with the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your cameras, ensuring they are connected to your Wi-Fi network. Test the camera feed in the app to confirm it is working correctly. Adjust your settings as needed for notifications or alerts. Finally, double-check all connections and make sure your cameras are securely mounted. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.